In this privacy tutorial, we're going to concentrate on Twitter. Start by going to your Twitter homepage. Once you're there on the left-hand side, go down to where it says More. And once you get to here, click on Settings and Privacy. Once this opens, we want to go to Security and Account Access. Click on Security. Next, click on Two-Factor Authentication. And here you have three choices. In order to receive the information needed for utilizing two-factor authentication, you can either receive your code via text message, via an authentication app, or a security key. In my case, it'll be via a text message. First, you have to identify yourself to make sure that it's actually you trying to put two-factor authentication into place. To get started, first enter your Twitter password to verify it's really you. Once entered, hit verify. Next, you have to verify your phone number. They'll give you the last four numbers. Make sure that you know it's going to the right telephone. You should know the rest of it. If that's correct, hit the send code. I've just received that code. Remember, this code is only once. The next time you have to have the code sent, it'll be a totally different code. So don't worry about it if it's exposed and somebody sees it. Hit next. Now the suggestion is save the single-use backup code in a safe place. If you can't enter your two-factor authentication code because you've lost the phone, it's no longer in service, whatever the case may be, you still have to have a way of getting in. That code printed here will get you into your account. That's it. Congratulations. You've now made Twitter safer. Stay safe, be free. I hope this helps.